Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your work. Create a restore point and confirm Windows Update is current so changes are reversible. Once done, right-click the desktop and open Personalize. This is your hub. You should choose a wallpaper, set an accent color, and select dark or light mode now because those base decisions affect icons, contrast, and readability. Make sure to apply a theme to carry consistent sounds and cursors, and save a custom theme so you can revert if needed. You now refine the workspace. Pin the apps you use daily to the taskbar, change alignment to left or center, and hide system icons for a cleaner look. Next, enable snap layouts and set up virtual desktops to separate work from personal tasks, because organization speeds workflow. Make sure to review widgets and decide which feed items you want visible, and then manage startup apps in settings so boot time and focus improve. Finally, test layouts to confirm everything fits your screen. You finish by exporting or syncing your custom theme so settings follow you across devices. This preserves wallpapers, colors, and sounds. Make sure to tweak icon size and display scaling for legibility, and set mouse or touchpad sensitivity for accurate control. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Restore the restore point first, then reset personalization settings, and finally update or roll back drivers if visuals or responsiveness are off. One solid troubleshooting step is to...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.